Yes, students, please confirm in the chat box. Am I audible? Yes, students, please confirm in. Okay, so a very good morning to all of you students. So my name is Pradeep Bhanwala. So today we are going to proceed, as you know, that is on Monday, we are going to proceed with quantitative aptitude section. And in this section, I am going to take the next lecture on geometry. Okay, so let's see. Uh, I think you must have downloaded the assignment from the link I have shared in the last video also. And in this video also, in the description of this video also, you can find the assignment that we are going to discuss today. So you can check that assignment and try to practice the question from there. Okay. So let's start with today's lecture. So give me 1 minute. Yes. So we are covering lines and angles. We were covering lines and angles, and okay. So students, we were covering lines and angles in the last class. Lines and angles, and this is your class number 2. This is your class number 2. So this is a ray. This is a ray. Initial point and having this arrow. So this is known as ray. So similarly, we have defined line segment also, and other things also. Geometry, I have started with you. So so people think thought about after seeing the earth shape. Okay, so geometry, so that is earth measurement, and after that uh, firstly Egyptians started, then Greeks came, then many more people came, and they started to think about various shapes, and they tried to measure their areas and volumes, and there after that this all started. And in the last class we have also defined certain angles also. And before discussing angles, so this was an angle. If we are having two non-collinear rays, non-collinear, not lying on the same line, if you are having two non-collinear rays and you are having a common initial point, or I will say common vertex or common initial point, two non-collinear rays, so this is known as an angle. So this can be represented by theta, alpha, beta, gamma, phi, etc. Okay, so from there this started. And after that we have discussed about all types of angles. So on supplementary and complementary angles we have discussed the questions. Now some more angles today I am going to discuss with you, and after that we are going to cover that assignment, that is adjacent angles. Adjacent means साथ वाला. Adjacent means साथ, neighboring, एकदम साथ, left right. Adjacent, adjacent means साथ वाला angle. So let's say if you are having this angle, let's say you are having this common initial point O, this is OA ray and this is OB ray, non-collinear rays, and in between there is one other ray also, that is OP, one other ray also, that is OP, from the common vertex, common initial point. Then this angle and this angle, angle 1 and angle 2, will be our adjacent angles. Okay, is it clear or not, friends? So we can say the adjacent angle can be defined as, that is, uh, the adjacent angle can be defined as, that is, common vertex. O is common vertex or common initial point. Yes or no? OA is uncommon arm. Uncommon arm. Similarly, OB is also uncommon arm. Arm or ray we can say. And this is common arm. OP. तो एक तो सर कॉमन वर्टेक्स होगा अगर एडजेसेंट एंगल अगर हमें चेक करने हैं, सो इट शुड हैव अ कॉमन वर्टेक्स और कॉमन इनिशियल पॉइंट, and there will be two uncommon arms. There will be two uncommon arms, that is OA and OB, and O will be one common initial point or common vertex. Yes or no, students? So two uncommon arms, one common arm, and one common vertex or initial point. So it will make adjacent angle. So angle 1 and angle 2 are known as adjacent angles. So this is the definition of adjacent angles. So like this we can define adjacent angles. Okay, so this is important. Next thing, so this was, I will say, that is adjacent angles. And here only linear pair of angles. So that is very important, I will say, linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles is also important. See, this is adjacent angles. 1 and 2 are adjacent now. 1 and 2 are adjacent. साथ साथ वाले एंगल हैं 1 और 2. एक कॉमन आर्म है, एक कॉमन इनिशियल पॉइंट है, और दो अनकॉमन आर्म है, तो आप क्या बनाओगे? एडजेसेंट एंगल. यू विल फॉर्म एन एडजेसेंट एंगल. से इफ दिस ओबी रे rotates like this, okay, so you will be having common initial point O, you are having a ray OA, and this OB comes here. OB comes here. Okay. So if there, I will say uncommon or uncommon arms, if they form, if uncommon arms are become opposite to each other, uncommon arm and adjacent angle is forms a linear pair of angles when its uncommon arms, if its uncommon arms points opposite to each other. So OA is opposite to OB. Am I clear or not, friends? Then what it will become? So your common arm, so that is OP. OP will be somewhere here. Now this will be angle 1 and this will be angle 2. So that means, because these are, I will say, straight angles. These are straight angles. You must have studied about straight angles. So in the last lecture, I have defined the straight angle. So angle 1 plus angle 2 sum will be 180. Am I clear or not, friends? Angle 1 plus angle 2 sum will be 180. So this is very important. So if uncommon arms point in, I am not going to do the proof here. So proof is not required for us. If uncommon arms point in opposite direction and if a ray stands like this, then the sum of adjacent angle will become 180 degrees. So this will form a linear pair. So friends, angle 1 here, angle 1 can be named as, that is BOP. Angle 1 is between BOP or POB, we can say. Angle 2 also is POA or AOP, but O will remain in center. So similarly, here also angle 2 is AOP or POA, or angle 1 is also BOP or POP, one and the same thing. So we are not going to do the proof here because proof is not important for us. So we can say two adjacent angles form a linear pair if they are supplementary. Two adjacent angles, कोई दो adjacent angle linear pair तब form करते हैं अगर वो supplementary हैं. तो लास्ट टाइम भी हमने यही डिफाइन किया था, कंप्लीमेंट्री में दोनों एंगल्स का सम 90 होता है और सप्लीमेंट्री में दोनों एंगल्स का सम कितना होता है, 180. यस और नो? टू एडजेसेंट एंगल फॉर्म अ लीनियर पेयर इफ दे आर सप्लीमेंट्री. एम आई क्लियर और नॉट? तो सप्लीमेंट्री मीन्स सम इज 180 डिग्री. सो आई थिंक दैट मस्ट बी क्लियर टू यू. हाँ जी. नेक्स्ट इज आफ्टर 180 sum of all angles round a point is 360 degree. AOF. Yes, friends. So if you are having two opposite rays like this, you are having two opposite ray and one ray is standing on this. So this angle A, angle B, will be sum will be 180. So that we have studied in linear pair. Adjacent angle will form linear pair if they are supplementary. So similarly, sum of all angle round a point, that is round a point. So sum is 180 is this, and 180 will be below. So sum will be 360. We already know this. We already know this thing. So similarly, this angle, this angle, this angle. So it will be 180. So that is linear pair. So similarly will be this, and this. This will also be 180. If you add angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it will become 180 by property of linear pair. Sorry, 360. 180 plus 180, so that is 360. तो लीनियर पेयर से फर्दर हमें क्या पता लग जाता है कि राउंड अ पॉइंट जो सम ऑफ एंगल्स होगा, सो दैट विल बी 360. हाँ जी. After this, we are going to discuss one more angle, so that is vertically opposite angle. So you must be clear with this. Yes. Yes. Now coming to vertically opposite angles. See, why I am discussing this chapter first? Because as you will proceed in geometry for further chapters. Yes, Ramanujam, you are not getting any sound? Yes, please confirm, is it audible or not? It's audible, yeah. Already it's audible. Okay, so vertically opposite angles we are going to define now. So let's discuss. Say if you are having two lines, let's say AB, and one line is CD. If you are having two lines AB and CD and they intersect at a common point O, so vertically opposite angle means, so that is angle 1 will be equal to angle 2, and this angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 2, so that is vertically opposite angles, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So how can we prove it? Yes, friends, you can prove it again from linear pair. See this line, CD. On CD line, you can see that OC is pointing this side and OD is pointing this side. common initial point, two uncommon arms pointing opposite to each other. So angle 1 plus angle 4 sum will be 180. Linear pair, linear pair of angles. Yes or no? Angle 1 plus angle 4. See this line. And on this line, you are having two opposite rays. So their sum will be 180. Similarly for, I will say, you can do for AB also. So this was for CD. For AB also, you can do this like this. Yes or no? I think yes. You can try on your own. So angle 1 plus angle 3 will also be equal to 180. Yes or no, friends? So ये लाइन मैं CD की बात कर रहा था, ये मैं AB की बात कर रहा हूँ, लाइन सेगमेंट. Yes or no? So from these two, so angle 1 plus angle 4 will become equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. So angle 1, angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. तो यही तो प्रूव करना था. Yes or no, friends? So similarly, we can prove for angle 3 is equal to angle 4 also. Yes or no? So similarly, as you know, angle 2 on CD line, angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180. Say this, angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180. Yes or no? And angle 1 plus angle 4, sorry, angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180. Then we have to prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, we have already proved. We have already proved angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now we have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Yes. So similarly, I think you can prove for you, as you know, on CD line, angle 1 plus angle 4 is 180. And as you know, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So you are only left with angle 1 is equal to angle. So these are vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So I think you must be clear with this, students. So these were adjacent angle, vertically opposite angles, and on the basis of this, we are going to do some questions now. Complementary, supplementary, we have already discussed. Now we are going to discuss some questions on this. I am starting from the very basic. See, I have started this chapter from very basic. So please try to solve some of the questions on the basis of this. Yes. So lines and angles. So this is the figure you are given with. So there are two opposite rays, that is OP and OQ, of course, and OR is a ray standing this like this. Angle POR and angle QOR form a linear pair. So that means angle I will say this angle plus this angle, their sum will be 180. If A minus B इनका difference 180 है, if difference is given of A and B is 80, then the value of A and B. Okay, students. So this is a linear pair pointing in opposite, two rays pointing in opposite direction. So that means they will form a linear pair. They have already given this POR angle, angle A, and angle QOR is angle B. So A plus B will form a linear pair. So adjacent angle will form a linear pair if they are supplementary. So A plus B sum is 180 from linear pair. Of course, तो यार आप जब भी फिजिक्स में व्हेन यू स्टडी अगर दो पर्सन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं तो आप बताते हो कि उनके बीच में जो एंगल है दैट इज 180. देन a minus b भी 80 दे रखा है. सो कैन वी फाइंड आउट a एंड b? यस, बाय एलिमिनेशन मेथड. सो 2a इज आई विल से 260. सो a इज 130. a 130 है तो b कितना हो जाएगा? दैट इज 50. सो आंसर इज 130 एंड 50. Yes, please check your answer. Please try to solve next question, that is question number 2. यस, फिगर दी हुई है, मुझे प्रूव करना है इसमें। दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू प्रूव। सी why I have taken this type of question, because I have not provided you the options, because sometimes they will ask the value of angle POQ directly. Okay, so either to prove or to choose from the options, so that is one and the same thing. So best is please solve these type of questions also. So that was the first question. Next, OP bisects एंगल बीओसी। अगर ओपी बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है, ओपी रे अगर बाइसेक्ट करती है बीओसी, तो दिस इज बीओसी, इसको बाइसेक्ट किया गया। बाइसेक्ट मींस दैट इज टू इक्वल पार्ट्स, ट्राइसेक्ट थ्री इक्वल पार्ट्स। So that means this angle 1, this angle 2. Of course, angle 1 and 2 are adjacent angles. Angle 1 and 2 are adjacent angles. And if they are bisected by the common ray, I will say so angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 because they are bisected. So that will be two equal angles. And OQ angle AOC. इसका मतलब ओपी अगर बीओसी को बाइसेक्ट करता है, तो सिमिलरली जो ओक्यू रे है वो एंगल एओसी को बाइसेक्ट करता है। सो दैट इज एंगल 3 एंड दैट इज एंगल 4। सो दैट मींस एंगल 3 will be also be equal to angle 4. Yes or no, friends? Now show that angle POQ is 90. Yes, what is POQ now? POQ. So that is angle 1 plus angle 4 is 90. I have to prove this. Angle POQ comprises of angle POC plus angle COQ. So that means angle 1 plus angle 4 is 90. We have to prove. Yes, can we prove it? Let's rub this. Can we prove angle 1 plus angle 4 is 90? Yes. As you know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, so they will form a linear pair because OA and OB, they are having a common vertex initial point and two opposite rays. So their sum will be angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to 180. Now angle 3, we need angle 1 and angle 4. We need angle 1 and angle 4. So please remove 2 and 3. 2 can be substituted by angle 1 and 3 is equal to angle 4. So this equation will become like this: 2 times angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 and angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 90. Yes or no? So 180 by 2, it will become 90. So angle 1 plus angle 4, so that is nothing, so that is angle POQ. I think we have proved it. So bisect meaning you should know, and you should understand the usage of linear pair. Yes, friends, are we clear with this? Please write in the chat box if you are clear with this. So these are the two questions. Let's try to do some more questions on this. Yes, please try to solve this question. In figure ray OE bisects angle AOB. OE bisect करता है AOB को. OF is a ray opposite to OE. Show that FOB is equal to angle FOA. Yes, I think you must have tried this. So let's try to finish it. OE bisect कर रहा है एंगल AOB को, एंगल AOB को. If OE bisects angle AOB, so this is total AOB. So this must be equal. So this 1 and 2 will become equal. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle AOB and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. OF is a ray opposite to OE. ऐसे ही बोला. Show that FOB FOB, this is this angle, let's say 3, is equal to FOA. So we have to prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So this we have to prove. Now we can say that you are having two opposite ray and a arm is standing on this. So angle 2 plus angle 3 will be equal to 180 linear pair. Please check. And similarly, angle 4 plus angle 1 will also be 180 linear pair. So we have to prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Yes or no, friends? So let's make 1 is equal to 2 because RHS is same. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. RHS is same. So let's compare their left hand side. And as you know, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 2 will get cancelled out and you are left with angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So this we have proved. Yes or no? So linear pair, from linear pair we can prove this. Now friends, next question arises, if there are two opposite rays from one common, I will say, initial point OA, OB, and if we prove that they form a linear pair, they form a linear pair, then AOB is a line. यस, सो अगर मैं ये प्रूव कर देता हूं कि सर ये लीनियर पेयर है, इनका सम 180 है, तो एओबी क्या होगी? एक लाइन होगी। यस और नो? यस और नो फ्रेंड्स? सो लेट्स ट्राई टू प्रूव दिस। तो देखो क्या है, अब लीनियर पेयर से हम लाइन भी प्रूव करेंगे। दो अपोजिट रेज हैं तो लाइन बनेगी ना यार। एक अपोजिट रे इस डायरेक्शन में वेस्ट में है और वन अपोजिट रे इन ईस्ट डायरेक्शन, सो दिस विल फॉर्म अ लाइन। So condition will be, that is, sum of adjacent angles will be 180. Yes or no? So adjacent angles will form linear pair if they are supplementary. Let's try to prove now straight line. Lines XY and MN intersect at O. XY, this XY and this MN intersect at O. Angle POY is equal to 90. A is to B is 2 is to 3. Find C. So we have to find this angle, that is the C angle. So that is, I will say, NOX or XON. We have to find this angle now. X and Y, if they intersect, see, if X and Y, X, Y and MN intersect, so of course vertical opposite angles can also be used here. Yes, we can use them. And A ratio B is given to us, so that is 2 is to 3. Otherwise also we can solve this. Angle POY is 90. Yes, friends. question also. So we have to find angle C now. Yes, it can easily be proved. So see, this is XY line, OX, OY in opposite direction. So it will form a linear pair, of course. So A plus B plus 90 is equal to 180. So A plus B will be, I will say 90 degree. Yes. B plus A plus 90 on XY line will form a linear pair. So that is, I will say that is 180 degree. So A plus B will be 90 degree. Similarly, this was XY line, and similarly on MN line. So B plus C will be 180. B plus C will be 180 on MN line. So A is 2x, B is 3x. So ratio can be written like this. So try to put A is 2x plus 3x is 90. So x is equal to 18. X is 18. If x is 18, so 3x will be 54 plus C is 180. So C is equal to, that is 126. C will be 126. So similarly, we can find out A. So A will be, that is 2 times 18, that is 36. And B will be 54. 36 and 54. So C is 126. Okay. So I think you must be clear with this question, friends. So मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने लीनियर पेयर फॉर्म किया है एक्स वाई लाइन पे, a plus b plus 90. Similarly I have done it for mn line. B plus c is 180. So a is 2x I have taken and b is 3x. So similarly I am having two equations now, so I can solve this question like this. So I think must be clear with this question, friends. If you are clear, please write in the chat box. We are proceeding with another question. Okay, friends. So please write in the chat box if you are clear with this. So let's do another question now. So in this figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So ये angle इसके equal है. So I have to prove angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. So very easy question. तो अगर सर ये इंटीरियर इक्वल हैं तो क्या ये एक्सटीरियर भी इक्वल होंगे? Let's say 1 and 2. Yes, of course. See, of course, you are having again this line. I will say that is ST. ST you are having. So similarly, angle 1 plus this angle PQS will form a linear pair on this line 180. Similarly, this also angle, I will say PRQ, I will say that is PRQ, this interior angle, and this angle 2, that is PRT, I will say angle 2 is also equal to 180, linear pair, linear pair. Yes or no, students? Sorry, angle 1 plus this will be angle PQR. So this is angle PQS plus angle PQR. Angle PQS I have angle 1 and angle 2 is equal to angle PRT. So similarly, angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180. Angle PRQ plus angle PRT will be equal to 180. Angle PRT I am writing like this, that is angle 2, and angle PQS I am writing as angle 1. Okay, students. So angle 1 plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So from 1 and 2, we can equate that because the right hand side are equal. Yes or no? Now you can see that angle PQR and PRQ, they are already given equal. They are already given equal. So they will cancel out. So angle 1 will become equal to angle 2, and angle 1 is how much? That is angle PQS, and angle 2 is how much? That is angle PRT. Yes or no? So this we have to prove. I think angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Again, from linear pair we can prove this. Okay, so I think must be clear with this. So let's do another question now. Yes, please try to solve this question now, students. So एक फिगर दिया हुआ है x plus y is equal to w plus z is already given to you. Then prove that AOB is a line. AOB is a line. You have to prove this. Please try to solve this question. Okay, so let's discuss another question now. Yes, friends. So I think you can prove this. AOB is a line. Very easy. लीनियर पेयर ही प्रूव करना है दोबारा से. ओ ए ओ बी. Okay, so friends, as you know, around a point, the sum of all angles, so that is 360. Round a point, the sum of all angle is 360 x, y, z, w. You know this. Round a point, the sum of all angles will be 360. And to prove AOB as a line, we need to prove x plus y is equal to 180. So to prove x plus y is equal to 180. Already we are given x plus y is equal to w plus z. So put x plus y here. So this will become 2 times x plus y is equal to 360. So x plus y is equal to 180. तो लीनियर पेयर फॉर्म कर रहे होंगे, लीनियर पेयर फॉर्म किया होगा, सो दैट मींस देयर विल बी टू अपोजिट रेज, दो अपोजिट रेज होंगी एक कॉमन पॉइंट से, सो दैट विल फॉर्म अ लाइन. सो ए ओ बी विल बी अ लाइन. यस और नो? वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. यस. Try to solve this seventh question now. You are not given with any of the figures now. तो आपको फिगर भी खुद ड्रॉ करना है और मुझे इसमें दो एंगल्स, यू हैव टू फाइंड द टू एंगल्स एक्स वाई क्यू एंड रिफ्लेक्स. सी रिफ्लेक्स एंगल यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, दैट इज क्यू वाई पी. ओके. Angle XYZ is 64 degree and XY is produced to a point P. See, XYZ is 64 degree. So that means that is a acute angle. That is a acute angle. So let's say this is X and this point is Y and this is a Z and this is 64. ऐसे ही है. XY is produced to a point P. Let's say this P here. Draw a figure from the given information. If any YQ, sorry, any is not there, that is ray. If ray YQ bisects ZYP, YQ bisects, ray YQ bisects ZYP, ZYP. So this is YQ. ZYP will be this angle, students. This is ZYP. So that means, so if this angle is bisected, so this portion, that is ZYQ angle, will be equal to QYP angle. Yes or no? So if this is X, so this will also be X. Yes or no? So we have to find angle XYQ. X, this is X, Y, Q. So we have to find out, let's say X plus 64 degree. You have to find out this. Of course, P and X will form a straight line. So that will form a linear pair on it. So that is X plus 64. So that is 180. So 2X is equal to, that will, I will say, that is 116. So X is 58. Now we have to find out X plus 64 because we need to find out, that is, they are saying XYQ angle. So XYQ. This angle we need to find out, and this XYQ is comprises of 64 and this angle X. So X is 58 plus 64. 8 or 4, 12, 5, 6, 11 or 1. So that is 122 degree. So XYQ is 122 degree. And we need to find out angle OYP reflex. OYP reflex we have to find out. OY, sorry, that is QYP, not OYP, that is QYP reflex. QYP is this angle, and we need to find out its reflex angle. So this angle is X, so reflex will be QYP is X. So reflex of QYP, as you know, in clocks, and I will say other chapters you also do this. So that is 360 minus X. So X is 58. So that is 302 degree. ओके, क्लियर नहीं है मुकुल? वाई? इट्स क्लियर यार, क्लियर नहीं है क्या? यस, प्लीज कंफर्म. यस बद्री, रामानुजम. ओके, so let's do it. Yes, please try to solve the eighth question now. Angle ROT you need to find out. Yes, please try to find out angle ROT. Please try to solve question number 8th and 9th. Please try to solve question number 8th and 9th. So this is quant section, and I am discussing with you, that is geometry, and this is class 2. Class 1 is already available. So figure given है, एक ray OS है. This ray OS stands on a line POQ, okay, and ray OT are angle bisectors of POS and SOQ. So if POS is X, find ROT. So ray OR, see, OS stands on a line POQ, okay. So अगर देखो, अगर ray OS stand करती है on a line POQ, so that means let's make it this angle 1 and this is angle 2. So X plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180. So it will form a linear pair, so that will be 180. Ray OR and ray OT. Ray OR and OT are angle bisectors. So OR and OT are angle bisectors. So OR किसका bisector है? POS का. POS. And OT is angle bisector of SOQ respectively. So angle POS or angle SOQ, इनके angle bisectors we are given with, so that is POS is OR is the angle bisector. So that means let's do, so this angle will be equal to this angle. Let's say this is 3, this is 4, and SOQ for this bisector is ray OT. So that means angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Yes or no? So angle 3 is equal to angle 4 and angle 1 is equal to angle 2, because you are given the angle bisectors. Yes or no, students? So we can do it like this also. So x is what? So x is angle 3 plus angle 4. X is what? That is angle 3 plus angle 4. Now we have to find out angle ROT. So we need to find out ROT. So ROT is this. ROT is this angle. So angle 1 plus angle 4 we need to find out. Yes. So x plus 1 plus 2 is 180 we are given with. See, OS is not a perpendicular, as you can see, they have not given it, but they have given it that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If angle 1 becomes equal to angle 2, so that will become 2 times angle 1 is equal to 180. Yes, similarly, what we can do further, here, that is, as we know that angle POS is equal to x. Angle POS is equal to x. Angle POS is equal to angle x. And we have to find out ROT now. So that is angle 1 plus angle 4 we have to find out. So x will be, so angle 1 will be 180 minus x by 2. So angle 1 will be 90 minus x by 2. So this is my angle 1. This is my angle 1. Now angle 1 we found out in terms of x. So similarly, can we find out angle 4 also? So angle 4 is equal to x minus angle 3. Angle 4 is equal to x minus angle 3, students. Now as you can see, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So angle 4 is equal to x minus. So we can put angle 3 is equal to angle 4 from this equation. Yes or no? So that means 2 times angle 4 is equal to x. Angle 4 is equal to x by 2. So angle 4 will be equal to x by 2. Angle 4 is equal to x by 2. So we are having now angle 1 and we are having now angle 4. Now 90 minus x by 2 plus angle 4 is x by 2. So angle 1 is 90 minus x by 2 and angle 4 is x by 2. So that is equal to 90 degree. So that is angle ROT is 90 degree. Yes. So I think you must be clear with this question. So angle ROT. So that is angle 1 plus angle 4. So that is 90 degree. Yes, friends, are we clear with this question? Yes, please write in the chat box if you are clear with this question. Okay. Okay, friends. So let's move to another question now. Yes. So in this figure, POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Okay. OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. So we have to prove that. So angle ROX, sorry, angle RO, angle ROS. Please correct it. So this is angle ROS. So this angle we need to find out in terms of QoS and POS. QoS and POS. QoS and POS. So this angle we need to find out, and we need to prove this in terms of this. Of course, you can give it some name also. That is QoS. Let's do the naming one. That is QoS. So that is 2. And POS. This is 3. Now we have to prove angle 1 is equal to 1 by 2. QoS is what? POS. So this we need to prove, friends. This we need to prove here. So we need to prove angle 1 is equal to half of difference of 2 minus 3. Very easy. We can do. We know angle 3 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 on line POQ. It will form a linear pair 180. Yes or no? Now we need to find out the value of 1. So angle 1 will be how much? So that is 180 minus angle 2 plus angle 3. Yes or no? Sorry. This will be angle 2 plus angle 3 will be 180. Please correct it. So this is angle 2 plus angle 3 will become 180. Angle 2 plus angle 3 will become 180. We need to find out the value of 1. So angle 2 can be written like this. See, angle 3 plus angle 2 will become form a linear pair. Angle 2 further can be written as 90 plus angle 1. So this can be written like this. So it will become angle 1 plus angle 3, that is equal to 90 degree. So we need to find out the value of this. So angle 1 will be 90 minus angle 3. Angle 1 is 90 minus angle 3, but we need to prove it this. Okay, so I think it must be clear up to this. So similarly, we can do it. So angle 1 plus angle 3 is 90 degree. What we can do? OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. So we need to prove this. So this further on simplification, what we that is angle 1 is equal to, we need to find out half angle 2, and that is angle 2 minus angle 3 we have to prove. QOS minus POS, okay, and this is ROS angle 1. Okay, so angle 1 plus angle 3 is 90. What further we can get it? And this is angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180. Angle 3 plus I will say angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180. So we can subtract it. It will become angle 2 minus angle 1 is equal to 90. Angle 2 minus angle 1, it will become 90 degree. So let's try to simplify this. 2 times angle 1 is equal to angle 2 minus angle 3. So we need to simplify it. So this we need to prove. 2 times angle 1, and this is this. So it is angle 2 minus angle 1 we are getting at like this, that is 90 degree. And similarly, we are having angle 1 plus angle 3 is 90, we are already having. So can we substitute? Let's do it again, students. Let's try to simplify this again. Let's try to simplify this again. POQ is a line. Of course, POQ is a line. So that means this and this sum will be 180. OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Okay. OS is another ray lying between OP and this OP and OR. Okay. If see, if this is 90, so of course this sum will become 90. This sum will become 90 from linear pair. Yes or no, students? Yes or no? If this is 90, so this on line POQ, so this will become 90. So that's clear to us. So prove that angle ROS is equal to half angle QOS minus angle POS. So ROS, so this is that angle. Let's say this angle is angle 1. We have to prove it angle QOS. Sorry, angle QOS. So that is a 90 plus angle 1. Angle QOS is how much? So that is 90 plus angle 1. And angle POS. Angle POS is how much? So that is 90 minus angle 1. Please check. So angle POS will be how much? So that is total is 90. This is angle 1. So 90 minus angle 1, it will become yes or no? Yes or no, students? So this will become like this. So it will become like this. So we need to do what we need to do, that angle ROS is equal to half if we substitute angle QOS as 90 plus angle 1 and angle POS as 90 minus angle 1, so what it will become, that is angle OROS is equal to half of 90 minus 90 will subtract, so that is 2 times angle 1, and that is 2 and 2 will get cancel out. So that is the thing we need to prove it. Okay, so as we know that this is, let's do angle OROS, let's do, we have taken it as angle 1. Now as we already know that angle ROS plus angle POS is equal to 90. Let's do it in these terms, ROS and POS. And similarly, angle QOS is equal to 90 plus angle ROS. Yes or no? So this we need to prove. We are having two equations, 1 and 2. Yes. So ROS value can be, now we need to find out the value of ROS. So let's take ROS. ROS is 90 minus POS, and angle ROS is also equal to, I will say, angle QOS minus 90. Angle QOS minus 90. Yes or no, students? Yes or no? Now, can we, yes, can we add these two equations? Can we add these two equations? This is 1 and this is 2. If you add these two equations, so it will become 2 times angle ROS is 90 minus 90 will get subtracted, so that will be angle QOS minus angle POS. Yes or no? And this 2 will come here. So that's true. Yes or no? So rather than going for this question, I will say in terms of angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. So you can directly do this type of question like this. Okay, so this was, I will say again, you can get this question in the form of this. Okay, so half of angle QS minus POS will be what? Very easy. Otherwise, from the figure also you can do this question. But if you need to do these type of questions, so the approach can be like this. So rather than for this question writing for angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, you can solve it like this. So I think must be clear with this question. Okay, so I think you are clear with this. So I have framed two equations in terms of ROS, QOS, and POS. ROS, I will say that is ROQ plus this ROS. This will be 90 plus angle 1. Or yes, ROS you can write it like this. That is ROS is what is ROS, that is angle 1. So that is this total 90 degree. This total 90 degree, that is, I will say this total 90 degree you can write it like this. So that is 90 minus POS, you can write it. So this angle 1 will be, that is this total 90, that is ROP or POR minus angle POS. So this will be ROS or angle 1. Similarly, ROS can be written, so this was from this side, and from this side you can write ROS similarly. So that is ROS, that is angle 1, and this is ROS, you can write it like this, that is angle ROS. So that will be how much? That is angle QOS, angle QOS, total angle this, minus angle, I will say that is this 90 QOR or ROQ. So this will become second equation for us. So two equations we are having for angle ROS. Let's add these two equation 1 and 2. If you add these two equations, so it will become 2 times angle ROS. 90 and 90 will get cancel out. 9 plus 90 minus 90. it will look like this: angle QoS minus angle POS. So 2 times will come on this side, on the denominator of this side. So it will prove my question. Yes or no? Please write in the chat box. Yes, if you are clear with this question, friends. Okay. So some of the questions were taken from NCRT. Also, I will say. See, there are three coplanar lines intersect in a common point, forming angles as shown. Given A is 50, B is 90, find the value of C, D, E, and F. Yes, please try to solve this question also. Okay, let's try to solve this question. थ्री लाइंस हैं, इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं कॉमन पॉइंट पर, फॉर्मिंग एंगल्स एज शोन. ए 50 है, बी 90 है, सी डी ई एफ बताना है. वेरी इजी सर. वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन. So this angle will be equal to this, and this is this. For A, the vertical opposite angle will be D. So D will be equal to 50. Vertically opposite angle for B will be E. So that is 90. Yes or no? Now we need to find out C, D, E, and F. Now see, for this line, let's say this line XY. As you know, the sum of all the angles around the point will be 360. Now, first form linear pairs. Yes, this DEF for XY line, I will say, form a linear pair. DEF, that is equal to 180 linear pair. D is 50, E is 90. So that is 40 degree. So that is 40 degree. So F is 40 degree. Yes, again ABC will also form a linear pair. ABC will also form a linear pair. Two rays opposite to each other. Yes or no? A and B we are given with 50 and 90. That is 40 degree. So 180 minus 40. So C is 40. C 40 we are having D 50, E 90, and F is 40. So answers are C 40, D 50, E 90, 40, 50, 90, 40. Yes, I think students you are clear with this question. See, this type of questions you will get. Why I am proceeding forward with, I will say, level 1 questions. It will be beneficial for you. I will take the questions from various exams also. So these, I will say, first 2 or 3 classes on geometry will be beneficial for you. So please attend these classes, try to memorize the theorems, try to memorize all types of angles, so that will be used there. So I will say in the questions that came in various exams, so I will use these theorems, these tricks directly there. Okay, so you should practice these questions before attempting those questions. Okay, so let's move forward now for 12th question. Again, दो स्ट्रेट लाइन दी है, इंटरसेक्ट किया है, तो ऑफ कोर्स कुछ एंगल्स बनेंगे, ऑफ कोर्स देयर विल बी सम एंगल्स. ओके, so POT is 75. Find the values of A, B and C. Yes, so similarly vertically opposite angles, you know, two lines intersect. Angle 1 is angle 2, angle 3 is angle 4. PQ and RS intersect. Okay, then this is RS and this is PQ. Now we can find out the vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle will be 2C is equal to 75 plus B. Make sure the angles remain between the two same lines we are talking about. So 2C is between PQ and RS, and 75 plus B is also between PQ and RS. The first vertically opposite angle 2C is 75 plus B. Please check this carefully. Then this A is between, I will say, this and this. So there must be two different rays. So this is PQ and this is RS. And similarly 4B. So this is RS and PQ. So A is equal to 4B. Yes or no, friends? So this will look like this. Now, next, because RS and PQ, ROS and POQ are lines, are straight lines, so they will form a linear pair on themselves. Yes, straight angle होगा, होगा या नहीं होगा? ROS पे क्या होगा? 2C plus A will be 180. लाइन से भी कुछ पता लग जाएगा मुझे. लाइन इंटरसेक्ट होंगी, वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल आगे, लाइन है तो क्या बनेंगे? स्ट्रेट एंगल बनेंगे, लीनियर पेयर बनेंगे. एडजेसेंट एंगल्स क्या होंगे? दो अपोजिट रे होंगी तभी लाइन बनेगी. ठीक है. Then 2C plus A. Then so this is, I will say, this ROS, and for other line also we can say that is 4B plus 2C is also 180 degree. Of course we can frame that 4B plus 2C will also be 180. Let's make all the equations we can make. Then 4B plus 2C. Then other than this 4B plus 75 plus B. For this 4B plus 75 plus B. So that is 180. 4B plus 75 plus B will form a linear pair also. So that is 180. So that is 5B is equal to, from here we can get something. So that is 105. So B is 21 degree. B is 21. If B is 21, let's substitute in the second equation. So A will come out to be 84. A 84, B 21. Then can we get C now? Yes, from first equation we get C now because B is 21. So 2C is equal to 75 plus 21. So that is 96. So C is 48, 96 by 2. A 84 आ गया, B 21 और C will be 48. So I think you must be clear with this. Yes or no, students? Yes, write in the chat box. Yes, please write in the chat box if you're clear with this. Okay, so I think you must be clear with this. Very easy question. So whatever you are given with, say you are given with you are given with two lines. If they are intersecting, of course they will form a vertically opposite angle. Okay, and if they are lines, then adjacent angles will be supplementary. So there's some will form a linear pair. So linear pair equations I have made, vertically opposite angles equation we have framed, and we can calculate the angles like this. Next question. In figure, AB and CD are straight lines. AB and CD are straight lines, and OP and OQ are respectively the bisectors of angle BOD and AOC. Show that rays OP and OQ are in the same line. Yes. Yes, AB and CD are straight lines. AB and CD are straight lines. So that means अगर straight line है intersect हो रही है common point पे, तो of course angle 2 is equal to angle 5. And straight line, and OP and OQ are respectively the bisectors. OP and OQ are respectively the bisectors of angle BOD and AOC. So ये bisector हैं OP and OQ. अगर ये bisectors हैं किसके, that is BOD and this is AOC, अगर इसके bisectors हैं, so that means angle 1 is equal to angle 6 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle bisector. So we have to prove, show that the rays OP and OQ are in the same lines, or we have to prove POQ is a straight line. POQ is a straight line. POQ is a straight line. This we have to do. Straight line if I have to prove, so that means POQ. So if I can prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. If I can prove this. Okay, students. So this I need to prove. Now around point O, the sum of all angles will be 360. Yes or no? Now I don't need angle 4, 5, 6. So angle 4 can be substituted with angle 3, angle bisector. Angle 5 can be substituted with angle 2. Angle 6 can be substituted with angle 1. So it will become 2 times angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 360, or angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. तो अगर ये एंगल्स किन्हीं दो अपोजिट रेस पर हैं और इनका सम 180 आ रहा है, सो दे विल फॉर्म अ लाइन. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, पीओ क्यू क्या होगा, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन होगा. यस और नो? यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स? यस, राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. ओके, so let's try to finish this class. Last question I am giving you. Okay, so this is the last question. Please try to solve this question. AB and CD intersect at O. दो lines हैं यार. Again we are having two lines, AB and CD intersect at O. This is AB and this is CD. Yes or no? So if it is like this, so we are having these two lines now. So that means this angle, angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Yes or no, students? Vertically opposite. And this angle will be equal to this angle. So angle 1 is angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Of course, you can name them. Naming की जा सकती है. We can name them. AOC, angle AOC. So this is angle 1 according to us. And angle BOE. This is BOE. Let's say this is angle 5. इनका सम 180 दे रखा है 1 और 5 का. BOD. BOD is angle 2 according to us. That is 40. Now we have to find out angle BOE. So we need to find out angle 5 and reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE. Okay. COE can be find out. देखते हैं, चेक करते हैं अभी. ये तो वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स हैं ही. अगर दो लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी तो ये तो वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स होंगे. यस और नो? Okay, so let's try to solve this question. Now see here, this angle 4 plus this angle 2 will form a linear pair 180. We are given with angle 2 now. Angle 2 is how much? That is 40 degree. So angle 4 is 180 minus 40. So angle 4 is, that is 140 degree. Angle 4 is 140. If angle 4 is 140, so that means angle 3 will also be 140. Yes or no? Angle 4 is equal to angle 3 is equal to 140 degree. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Yes, find out all the angles now. Now see, this angle 1, this angle 1 plus this angle 3. This will also form a linear pair 180. Yes or no, students? So this will also form a linear pair. Of course, it will form a linear pair. And you are having angle 3 as 140. Yes or no? So angle 1 will be 40. Angle 1 is equal to 40 or not? Of course, angle 1 was equal to angle 2, so that is 40 only. So that was given to us, or we can prove it. BOD is angle 2, so angle 2 is vertically opposite to angle 1. Angle 2 is already given to us 40, so this is 40. Now, we are having angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 70, and angle 1 is 40 now. So angle 5 will be equal to 30 degree. Angle 5 will be equal to 30 degree, and angle 5 is how much? That is angle BOE. So first answer will be 30 degree. Yes or no, students? Yes, COE, reflex angle COE, we need to find out. So COE is, this is this angle COE. CO is this. So angle COE can be written as total angle 3. So that is, we can write as angle COB minus angle BOE. Angle COE is, that is angle COB, or I can say BOC minus angle BOE. Angle COB is how much? So that is angle 3. And angle BOE is how much? So that is angle 5. So this is angle COE. Yes, angle 3 is how much? 140. We are having angle 3 is 140, and angle 5 is, that is 30. So angle COE will be equal to 110 degree. So angle COE is 110 degree. So 110 डिग्री है COE. तो रिफ्लेक्स कितना होगा COE का? So that is 360 minus 110. So that is 250. Yes, please cross check your answer. So answers are 30 and 250. So BO is 30 and this is 250. Okay. Yes. Just write in the chat box if you're clear with the solution of this question or not. So students, you can download this assignment, this PDF from the link I have provided in the description, and can practice these questions and these type of similar questions from this assignment. Okay, so next time I will take some more questions like this and some questions from previous year exam, and of course you will be able to solve all the question on the basis of this. Yes, any doubt in today's class, you can write in the chat box, you can ask again. So on basis of linear pair, we have solved the questions. Okay, on the basis of linear pairs, what sir, adjacent angles क्या होते हैं? Okay, so all types of angles we have discussed in first two classes. In the next class also, I will discuss some more type of angles. Okay, so these were the some 14 questions I have discussed with you, and in next time I will meet you again with some more questions from previous year exams also, and uh, I will discuss some more angles with you. So keep watching your PDF, keep preparing students. So thank you once again.